Have you ever wanted a beautiful indoor garden, but worried your home doesn't get enough sunlight? The good news is that many amazing houseplants naturally grow beneath forest canopies, where direct sunlight rarely reaches the ground. These plants have adapted to survive and even flourish in dim conditions, making them perfect for apartments, offices, bedrooms, bathrooms, and other low-light spaces. Besides adding natural beauty, many low-light plants also improve air quality, reduce stress, and create a relaxing atmosphere. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant lover, these resilient species require very little effort while rewarding you with lush green foliage all year long. In today's video, we'll explore 15 incredible low-light plants that can thrive almost anywhere. Stay until the end, because the final plant is one of the toughest and easiest houseplants you'll ever own. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is famous for surviving conditions that would challenge most other houseplants. Its upright, sword-shaped leaves store water, allowing the plant to tolerate occasional neglect and irregular watering. It grows surprisingly well in low-light rooms, although brighter, indirect light encourages faster growth. Snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality, making them excellent choices for bedrooms and offices. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering, because excess moisture is far more harmful than underwatering. Use a pot with drainage holes and a well-draining potting mix to keep the roots healthy. With minimal care, this hardy plant can stay attractive for years while continuously producing fresh leaves and occasionally even new offsets that can be propagated into additional plants. 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has become one of the world's most popular indoor plants because it thrives where many others struggle. Its glossy, dark green leaves reflect light beautifully, brightening even the darkest corners of a room. Underground rhizomes store water, making this plant extremely drought-tolerant. It prefers low to medium indirect light and requires watering only after the soil has dried completely. The ZZ plant grows slowly, but every new stem emerges with perfectly arranged leaflets that create an elegant appearance. It is highly resistant to pests and adapts well to offices with fluorescent lighting. If you're often busy or travel frequently, this nearly indestructible houseplant offers outstanding beauty with remarkably little maintenance throughout the entire year. 3. Peace lily. Peace lilies are beloved for their elegant white flowers and lush green leaves that brighten low-light indoor spaces. While flowering is more frequent in brighter, indirect light, the plant continues growing well in dim environments. Peace lilies also signal when they need water by gently drooping, making care simple, even for beginners. Water thoroughly whenever the soil feels slightly dry, then allow excess water to drain away. Their broad leaves appreciate occasional wiping to remove dust and improve photosynthesis. Peace lilies enjoy moderate humidity, making them perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. With consistent care, they reward owners with graceful blooms throughout the year, while adding a calming, tropical feel that instantly transforms almost any room into a peaceful indoor retreat. 4. Pothos is one of the easiest trailing houseplants anyone can grow. Its heart-shaped leaves cascade beautifully from hanging baskets or shelves, while tolerating very low light conditions. Although brighter light produces more colorful variegation, solid green varieties remain healthy even in dim rooms. Water only after the top inch of soil becomes dry, and trim vines occasionally to encourage fuller growth. Pothos roots quickly in water, making propagation fun and simple. It adapts to changing temperatures and humidity levels better than many tropical plants. Whether displayed on a bookcase, office desk, or windowsill, this fast-growing vine creates a lush indoor jungle effect with very little effort, making it one of the best choices for beginner plant lovers. 5. Cast iron plant. True to its name, the cast iron plant is incredibly tough and forgiving. It tolerates deep shade, inconsistent watering, dry indoor air, and temperature fluctuations better than almost any other houseplant. Its long, dark green leaves maintain an elegant appearance throughout the year with very little maintenance. Water only when the soil becomes mostly dry, and avoid placing it in harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the foliage. This slow-growing plant rewards patience with years of dependable beauty. Because it requires so little attention, it's often recommended for busy homeowners and first-time gardeners. Once established, the cast iron plant becomes one of the most reliable companions for nearly any indoor environment where other plants might fail. 6. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen is admired for its colorful foliage, featuring combinations of green, silver, cream, or pink, depending on the variety. It performs exceptionally well in low-light homes while requiring only moderate watering. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings and avoid exposing the plant to cold drafts. Its broad, decorative leaves instantly brighten offices, bedrooms, and living rooms. Chinese Evergreen also tolerates average indoor humidity, making it an excellent, low-maintenance choice for beginners. With proper care, this plant develops into a full, bushy specimen that remains attractive year after year. Its combination of stunning foliage, adaptability, and easy care explains why it continues to rank among the world's most recommended indoor plants for low-light environments. 7. Philodendron. Philodendrons have earned their popularity because they combine tropical beauty with remarkable adaptability. Many varieties grow happily in low-light conditions, producing lush, heart-shaped leaves that create a relaxing indoor atmosphere. Water whenever the top inch of soil feels dry, and provide occasional feeding during the growing season for healthier foliage. Trailing varieties look stunning in hanging baskets, while upright types become elegant floor plants. Philodendrons appreciate moderate humidity but adapt well to normal household conditions. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth and keeps vines manageable. Their forgiving nature makes them ideal for beginners who want impressive greenery without demanding care routines. With minimal effort, a philodendron can transform any room into a vibrant tropical oasis. 8. Heartleaf Philodendron. The heartleaf philodendron is one of the most graceful trailing plants for low-light interiors. Its soft, heart-shaped leaves develop on long vines that beautifully spill from shelves or hanging baskets. This plant adapts well to apartments, offices, and bedrooms with limited natural light. Water when the soil surface feels dry, and trim vines occasionally to maintain a fuller appearance. It grows steadily throughout the year and roots easily from cuttings placed in water. Heartleaf philodendrons tolerate occasional mist watering without serious damage, making them excellent companions for busy lifestyles. Their elegant foliage softens interior spaces while adding warmth and natural beauty, proving that stunning indoor plants don't require bright sunshine to thrive successfully. Spider plants remain one of the most rewarding houseplants because they grow quickly and produce adorable baby plantlets on long stems. While they appreciate bright, indirect light, they adapt surprisingly well to lower light conditions. Water when the top layer of soil becomes dry and avoid overwatering. Spider plants enjoy slightly crowded roots, so frequent repotting isn't necessary. Their arching green leaves with white stripes create a fresh, lively appearance in any room. The baby plants can be easily propagated into new pots, allowing you to expand your indoor garden for free. Easy care, fast growth, and effortless propagation make spider plants an excellent addition to homes with limited sunlight. 10. Dracaena offers dramatic, upright foliage that instantly adds height and elegance to indoor spaces. Many varieties thrive in low-light environments, making them perfect for offices and apartments. Water only when the top half of the soil becomes dry, because Dracaena dislikes constantly wet roots. Rotate the pot occasionally to encourage balanced growth on all sides. Its long, arching leaves create a striking architectural appearance that complements modern and traditional interiors alike. Dracaena grows slowly but steadily, rewarding patience with an increasingly impressive display. With minimal maintenance, this adaptable plant provides year-round greenery, while requiring far less attention than many other decorative indoor species. 11. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm has decorated homes for generations because it tolerates shade better than most palms. Its delicate feather-like fronds bring a soft tropical feeling to living rooms, bedrooms, and offices without demanding bright sunlight. Water whenever the top inch of soil dries, and avoid leaving the roots in standing water. Parlor palms appreciate average indoor humidity and grow slowly, maintaining a compact shape suitable for smaller spaces. Their graceful appearance complements almost any decorating style, while adding natural elegance. Because they require little maintenance and adapt well to indoor conditions, parlor palms remain among the finest choices for anyone wanting a classic tropical houseplant that flourishes in low light. 12. Lucky bamboo is admired for both its elegant appearance and its symbolic association with prosperity and good fortune. Despite its name, it isn't actually bamboo, but thrives beautifully indoors under low or indirect light. It can grow in water with decorative stones or in well-draining soil. If grown in water, replace the water regularly to prevent bacterial buildup. Avoid direct sunlight, which can yellow the leaves. Lucky bamboo requires very little maintenance and fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or tabletops. Its unique stems can be trained into attractive shapes, adding artistic appeal to interior spaces. Simple care and timeless beauty make lucky bamboo an enduring favorite among indoor gardeners worldwide. 13. The maidenhair fern offers delicate, lace-like foliage that creates an elegant, peaceful atmosphere indoors. Unlike many ferns, it thrives in low to medium indirect light, but appreciates consistently moist soil and higher humidity. Bathrooms with filtered light are often perfect locations. Never allow the soil to become completely dry, because the fine leaves respond quickly to dehydration. Mist occasionally, or use a humidity tray if your indoor air is very dry. Although slightly more demanding than some plants on this list, the maidenhair fern rewards attentive care with breathtaking, soft green foliage. Its graceful texture provides a beautiful contrast against larger leaf houseplants, creating a balanced indoor garden display. 14. Calatheas are famous for their beautifully patterned leaves that seem almost hand-painted. These tropical plants naturally grow beneath rainforest canopies, making them ideal for low-light indoor environments. Their leaves even move slightly throughout the day, earning them the nickname prayer plants. Keep the soil lightly moist and use filtered water if possible, as some varieties are sensitive to minerals. Higher humidity encourages healthier growth and vibrant leaf colors. Calatheas prefer stable temperatures and appreciate protection from direct sunlight, which can fade their striking patterns. With proper care, these decorative plants become true living works of art that attract attention in every room they decorate. 15. Bird's Nest Fern. Bird's Nest Fern finishes our list with its vibrant, wavy green leaves that emerge from a central rosette resembling a bird's nest. Unlike many ferns, it adapts well to average indoor conditions while thriving in low to medium indirect light. Keep the soil evenly moist without allowing water to collect in the center of the plant. Higher humidity supports lush, healthy growth, making bathrooms and kitchens ideal locations. Avoid direct sunlight because it can scorch the delicate fronds. Bird's Nest Fern creates a fresh tropical appearance without demanding complicated care. If you're looking for a unique, eye-catching plant that flourishes in dim spaces, this beautiful fern is an outstanding final choice. As you've seen, you don't need a sunny home to enjoy a thriving indoor garden. These 15 incredible plants have evolved to flourish in low-light conditions, making them perfect for apartments, offices, and homes with limited natural sunlight. By choosing the right plant and providing simple care like proper watering, occasional feeding, and good drainage, you can enjoy healthy greenery throughout the year. Every one of these plants adds beauty, improves indoor comfort, and brings a calming connection to nature. Which low-light plant is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and easy growing secrets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.